So first we will turn off the print head with the button on the back. Once that is off, we will remove the 2 screws on the front, 1 on the side, and the 4 on the back with a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll have one of these available. Take these off. Once that is off, we will then take the top blue cover off. When this is off, we can unplug the power cable, so it is no longer accessible to the side there. Set that off to the side. We are going to now swap out our controller for the top of form sensor. So in order to do that, we will unclip the sensor, pull out our wires, move this off to the side, and this gray cable we will also unplug. Okay. Next, we will then take off the sensor. With a smaller Phillips head screwdriver, there will be 2 screws located on the back side that we will then take off. Make sure to keep your hand on the front side here so these screws do not fall off.
Action.
Once you're done screwing this off, you can just let it hang here. After we are finished taking that off, we can then unclip this zip tie and this zip tie so we can then take off this cable. So now our controller and our cable is off. We will now reinstall a new controller and new cable. The new controller, new cable, they have a different fitting on there. So if it already isn't connected, you can already connect it from here. Sitting there nice and tug. Connect it back to the side there and connect this back over. With the 2 screws that we already took off, we will then reinstall this back on. After this is reinstalled, we can choose to put zip ties back in here for the moment being. We'll just kind of tug this off to the side. 2 wires we will then put back into here. And we will make sure this is clipped back, and you should be all good to go from there.